In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Canva, access your design, and share it the right way so others can use it without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. You can search for Canva or type the website address directly. Once the homepage loads, log into your account. If you have more than one account, make sure you're using the one where your design is saved so everything you need is available. After logging in, you'll land on the home page. From here, find the template or design you want to share. You can click into recent designs, use the search bar to locate it by name, or browse your folders if you keep things organized. Open the design so you're in the editor view. Look to the top right corner and click the share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control exactly who gets access and what they can do with your template. If you want to send the design directly to specific people, type their email address in the Add People field. You'll see an option to set their permission level. Use this to decide whether they can only view, can edit, or can use your design as a template. Keep in mind, giving edit access lets them change the original, while sharing as a template prompts them to create their own copy, which is usually the best choice when you want to keep your master version intact. If you prefer to share a link, use the link section in the same share panel. First, choose how others can access your template. You'll typically see options like anyone with the link can view, can edit, or use as a template. Select the setting that matches your goal. For most situations where you want others to customize their own version without affecting yours, choose the template option. Once the access is set, click Copy Link. Now you can paste that link into a message, email, or chat and send it directly to your recipient. They'll be able to open it and, depending on the permission you chose, either view it, edit it, or create their own copy as a template. That's it. Open Canva, log in, select your design, click share, decide whether to invite by email or by link, choose the right access level, and copy the link. With these steps, sharing your Canva template becomes quick, clear, and secure.